How to fix Discord mic not working in mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Discord mic not working in mobile. So first thing first, what you could do is open up your Discord application and you could check some settings enabled or not. So simply head over to your username or the settings and go to the settings page once again. So here you could go ahead and look for audio or microphone. Make sure to enable the permissions for that. After which, what you also want to do is make sure to check your device's settings. Long press the Discord app and go to the app info icon. Next, you want to come to the permissions and make sure that microphone is allowed. After you've done this and still the mic isn't working out, then you could also try updating. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So you want to make sure to go to your Play Store and on the search bar you want to type in Discord, look for any sort of update available that could be able to fix. Despite all that procedure, if nothing works out, then what you need to do is, apart from it, you could also try uninstalling the Discord app and then reinstalling a new one, and at the same time restart your device, and that is going to definitely help you out to fix your Discord mic not working in your mobile. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.